Hallway P, Shannon Andrews and Gunner P. I'm a dietitian and nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa JB, Talk, Dragoon.
Today we are making wild onion peanut noodles. For this recipe you will need 8 ounces of spaghetti noodles, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of wild onions sliced and divided, the light colored bulbs from the green tops, 1 large red bell pepper cut into strips, 1 cup of carrots cut into strips, 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, this is optional. In a large pot, cook noodles in boiling water according to package directions. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the light ends of the wild onions, bell pepper, and carrots. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Wild onions are ready for harvest in the early spring and continue to grow throughout the summer. Green onions could be used in place of wild onions. While the vegetables cook, prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine peanut butter, soy sauce, honey, and crushed red pepper if using. Whisk in 1/4 cup of boiling water from the spaghetti to thin the sauce. The Otoe word for wild onion is si. Wild onions are a little plant with a big connection to family and culture. Traditionally, many indigenous people gathered wild onions to eat. Wild onions taste like green onions but are smaller in size. Traditional wild onion dinners bring families and communities together to share songs, tell stories, and play games. This fellowship is often held at Indian churches, stomp grounds, or in homes. Scrambled eggs with wild onions is a traditional dish often made at community dinners. Wild onions can be enjoyed in many ways. They can be eaten raw, cooked, dried, or frozen. They can be canned in a salsa or added to soup, salads, or other dishes. When the spaghetti is cooked, drain and add to the skillet along with the peanut sauce. Toss until coated. Change it up. Any type of vegetable could be added. Try mushrooms, shredded cabbage, or peas. Other bell peppers could be used. Try green, yellow, or orange. For more crunch, top with chopped peanuts. Top with the green wild onion tops and serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 cup. Enjoy!